Hello, my name is Gracie Craig, and I'll be giving a presentation about 3D printing. So first of all, 3D printing, which is short for three-dimensional printing, is a process that layers different materials to create a certain shape. So it'll use plastic, metal, and other things like that to create whatever you want, pretty much. And there's a lot of excitement over it because it's making it a lot easier for people to get some resources that maybe would have costed more money to actually buy it from a seller than if you just 3D printed it on your own. It may not work for some things that are probably more heavy duty, but for simple things, a at-home 3D printer will make a lot of things. But 3D printers can cost anywhere from like $200 to like thousands and thousands of dollars, like this one in the photo. It's pretty big and it's creating big things, so that one's obviously going to cost a little bit more. Some examples of things that can be created by 3D printers are prosthetics, kitchen tools, construction materials, jewelry, and then like wrenches, that kind of tools. So things like tools and kitchen stuff and construction, depending on what it is, are probably something you could use as a cheaper 3D printer, but something like a prosthetic is something that'll be made in a more advanced 3D printer. According to Google, 3D printing industry is growing very rapidly, as you can see on this graph. It is projected to reach $57.1 billion by 2028, and at 2023 it was valued at $20 billion, $20.37 billion. So I think some unexpected ways that 3D printing could create new job opportunities in South Dakota are, since some equipment would be cheaper, it would allow some companies to be able to spend less money on equipment, so that would be able to give them more money to pay their employees. With machines, it would obviously take a director to create the thing in the machine, so there would be more jobs opening for that if we use it more. And then to get people to know how to work the machines, someone has to teach it to them. So one last job would be 3D printing teachers. And there would, I'm sure, be lots more, but those are just the 3 examples I came up with. And these are my sources. Thank you.